Yahoo! My wish came true. Christmas in July.
What's with the pinata, Clown?
There's a time bomb inside, see? We deliver this to the bank manager for his birthday, and when it goes boom, we run in and rob the vault. The law!
The lonesome prairie of the wilderness, the place that put the wild in the Wild West. And right here's the place that put the boom in Boomtown. Guess I spoke too soon.
I'm hitting the hay, Sheriff Uncle Jerry. Nothing going on worth staying up for.
False alarm.
Hey, a wishing star.
What'd you wish for?
I'll never tell.
Attaboy. Being a bank robber's cat is a lonely job. Hungry one, too. Good thing old Tom knows how to chase the blues away.
I just made my biggest haul ever. I'm gonna hide it in this piñata where no one will suspect. You guard my loot with your life, cat. Anything happens to it and... Got it!
Yahoo! My wish came true. Christmas
One good photo of Bigfoot will be worth millions. Tom would have all the caviar he could eat. What is... Nice pics of the inside of my car, Tom. You see this phone? No touchy. No touchy the phony, Tommy.
Tom, what are you doing?
Crazy cat? I love mustard. Tom, open the door! Let us in, Tom! You gotta be kidding me!
What the? Really, Rick? Another photo for the ages?
It's not for the ages. It's for our car insurance company.
Once there was a nice little family of hoods.
As in criminals? They don't sound very nice.
Nein, the family name was Hood. There was the father Hood, and the mother Hood, and little grey Katzen Hood. And they dressed him in a nice Red Riding Hood.
Ugh, he looks silly. Who puts a hood on a Katzen? Now, later holes on a mouse, that's a different story.
Wait, what is he going to ride?
Yeah, he should ride a tank.
A scooter? Nein, a Viking ship.
Let's make this easy. Ah, now that's more like it. Now he is the real Riding Hood.
Hey, how about the most famous Hood, Robin Hood?
Yeah, and his merry men.
One day, a little birdie told them that their Grandma Hood was not feeling well.
Come quick, your grandma's sick.
So the mama packed a basket of goodies and sent Tom to visit her. But the father Hood said, "Be careful, meine Katzen. The woods are crawling with the wolves these days."
Well, there goes his ride. Back to walking.
Now hold on there, son. I'm looking for this here Hood feller. Any chance you seen him? Daggum, you Robin Hood?
Silly wolf, you can't catch Robin Hood and his merry men.
Those merry men really get my blood to boiling.
I don't know, but I've been told we're the best at digging gold. Left, right, left, right.
on, Red Riding Hood, holding up traffic. Can't you visit your grandma after rush hour? You'll pay for this, Little Red.
Hold it right there, son. I'm the inspector around these parts. Where are you going with that there basket? I am on my way to my sick grandma's house with the goodies. Tom. Now hold on there. Let's just have a look at them there goodies. Fried chicken, a banana, custard pie, bottle of apple juice. Huh. Grandma can't be too sick to be chewing down on all this takeout. I'll just hold on to this for safekeeping. Aha! Hey there, cousin. We're on our way to Grandma's pad. She's throwing a sick bash. It's vernacular for spectacular. Count me in, cousins.
That should do it. A little detour should send Red straight to me. Get lost, kids. I've got bigger fish to fry.
You mean me?
Oh, get lost!
Now let's see about this sick bash.
You'll make an excellent plate of wolf puffs. Sit tight, boys. The main course has arrived. Aha! Just what I've been waiting for. Ah, we mustn't skip protocol. What big eyes I have. What big ears I have. Big nose, big mouth, yada, yada, yada. Let's cut to the chase. There, now, I hope you're all cozy. I'm not your granny, but I do love a basket of goodies. Ah, Robin Hood and his merry men. Curse you, Robin Hood. This isn't even your story.
Now you will get what's coming to you, you evil bitch!
Now I've got a little something for you, Robin Hood. You forgot to say, what a big broom you have, Grandma. Hey, wait, that's not good.
That there gingerbread man could hurt somebody.
That's the idea.
I think his regular brain is so empty that the tea took on a supercharged effect.
It's as if I've deciphered the very mysteries of science, Butch. I am on the verge of a formula that, when produced, would give everyone super strength and endurance. It will be my masterpiece. To my blackboard.
That's the last time I saw Meathead. And when I came out, he was gone. That's what I get for paying the tab, I guess. What do you say, fellas?
The first up, Meathead's last meal. It was a typical crowd at the diner, but no sign of the busboy.
So what'll it be, Flatfeet? Private ice cream or gumshoe gumbo?
Just then, Jerry spotted a sign that might be a clue.
Yeah, the busboy up and quit a couple of nights ago. On his way out the door, he said something about how a ship finally came in. And it's gonna have a jacuzzi, a deck for dancing, and a big loud horn.
I'll take it.
Hey, what gives? You got nothing on me. I ain't spilling no beans on nobody. All right, I'll tell you everything. I hit the big time with that genius cat professor. Yeah, that's right, the big time. Ace and Rocco treated me like I was a real somebody.
It appeared that our busboy used Meathead to get in and cash out with some local heavies.
They won't hurt the professor, though. He's their golden ticket down there.
Down there meant only one thing. the Canine Underground, and there was only one way to get to it. Our fearless private eyes were now in the hotbed of canine criminal enterprise for the entire city.
Here you go, sir. Fresh supply.
Carry the constant, substitute X for the velvety. Yes. Where U is the energy, force constant equal to 4 pi times 10 minus... Yes. The next formula will be even stronger. Oh, Thomas, Jerome, excellent. Have you come to see my creation? I've harnessed the forces of physics.
As long as he had enough chalk and super high intelligence tea, Meathead wasn't going anywhere.
A time has come! This town is finally going to the dog! Once we slip the professor's secret formula into the mix at the dog food factory, every pooch will become an instant powerhouse! A super dog!
Supercharged dog food. Heavens, what have I wrought? We've got to stop them.
What they needed now is a way to outmuscle Ace and Rocco and their goons. Maybe a way to outnumber them? Oh, I know. A way to outsmart them.
Wait.
Who are these two?
For your uninformed information, they are a pair of my most esteemed fellow geniuses. I had them double-check my formula, and they discovered an irregularity in my calculations. An inaccuracy. An error. A boo-boo.
Oh!
Without this ingredient, every dog who eats my formula will cease to hate cats.
Add the stuff.
Add the stuff right now.
Uh-oh. Looks like they're all out of super high intelligence tea.
Hey, Professor, you feeling okay?
Who? Me? I'm no egghead. Whatever gave you that crazy idea? Hey, maybe these guys could figure it out. They're the detectives.